stages are on copy one next round. And they
sure.
2 others is on my way. Four. By this time, they were first in their group. So it's very good for them. But the type of football at Germany for Neopono. You ask yourself, say, can you compare that type of football to the nations like Spain, Germany, France? And if you are going to compete against these boys, will you be able to beat them and take the cup? And if you look at the type of footballer, Nagelsmann boys neighbor, and there's a record for them. And I can will show you. So there is something here. Maybe Germany for mine will look at it and say yes. Records, history, favor because every time you imagine World Cup will be the next 12 years at Waso, they get to the final. The next 12 years. If you're looking at the records, it shows that they won in 1954. 12 years later, in 1966, no, they got to the World Cup final. They won the World Cup in 1974. 12 years after that, that was in 1986. They got to the World Cup final again. They lost. Then they came back to win the 1990 World Cup. Then in 2002, they got to the final. Near the Lema, they lost. Then they came to the 2014 World Cup and won 2014. It's only 12 years, 2026. Meaning, there's some records in the year, Juma. They might get to the final because they repeat every 12 years after they win the World Cup. But therefore, the type of performance that Nagelsmann and the boys said, would they be able to get there? Are they better than Portugal? Are they better than Argentina? Are they better than Spain? Are they better than France? It's a big thing. And the man Nagelsmann and the boys said they will get to the final because their performance now are more channel out, no? And you're convincing.
Okay.
And you look at these players. And even after one win in the first 2 games, no? Therefore, one side set him to move. Only Brown. And a free man run back give them.
Yeah.
Woman came in, these are players almost at every single time.
Yeah.
But they were beaten by a man for the Ecuador.
And because in just a lucky being a folly on you go for no.
And go to Kwano and buy it. Go to Kwano and buy it. It was a foul in the first place. High foot. Referee your bar. This is the first time I would be a FIFA World Cup.
Okay.
Now me catch the team was a sort I say mema football in the air. But some of the foot are very high.
Okay.
On a normal time they tell us say Upeja na trash shoulder level a foul.
Yeah.
But this was a high foot. But on my head to game so. And if after going up by 1 goal to there, can say the Money Boys not did a very good job and they were able to come back and win the game. And see, but what in Dabaso? But for Manuel, I don't know make us or for even if they decide to take Manuel out of the game, when I have the goal. No bear.
Oh, but me, I don't blame him much. Oh, the second goal. Where the guy was coming from. Into the hill. No need defender in the age now. Was it Rudiger?
No, Jonathan Ta.
Yeah, no need a year Jonathan Ta.
The panic tan attack.
And an age now.
Yeah.
Eti how we are no we say with the foul and I know can say. Oh no was a foul incident. India we if you to cry na think of on the minimum. Eti Zabo we baby no fee. Ebe far ball because SME Nechi we were Nechi you. And onu face ball no so kwache no. Inti na ni ba no so no that loose marking from the defender. And the mark 1 why e on him. Papa. Yes, Kwesi.
I understand. Say Manuel was standard be or the at for their man.
Sure.
And he say who are there be below Manuel standard.
Yeah.
We take it as if say or we progress it.
Okay.
I understand. Say every on a normal time, but we say keep a be a mini problem on. But this is Manuel.
Okay.
Awareness. One of the things are yeah, can I from Manuel what? Say all reflexes. His awareness is top notch. One way, Bano, he's about and I pictures of
no pictures after some obo no. But na akwa 9 so ya ben no. Jene ni ba no so no hwe akwa no bebo mani o. Misi na bi ni e friend no obo mani.
I am saying say I understand more ways keepers be the enkasa.
Okay.
But a some no I say na no Belgium mogi. Come say Courtois. Ina tena kan.
Go be band o ya sa.
Courtois more ways Courtois e complain. But I say can say Sanchez mo yen vi So a goalkeeper understand that what they are to and a ball be sent a mere complain. That's the reason I'm saying, say, now pass a quarter of a crown, say, Monomi and a crown now. Hey, one I better Oliver Booman. And what they Alex Dubé and two are they even better than Manuel Neuer? And one of the problems I mean with Germany for war, a goalkeeper department or that on men then they have to try and find a way to win this game. But I'm very good of Abaso, how they were able to move from having 1 point, nearly not qualifying. But I bought about bad, your ball, probably by 5 minutes in the game. They were actually out of the tournament, but they did very well and they were able to come back and win the game. But Germany minded there, and not going on more share back on it. Say yeah, about this World Cups in 2022. Obi anyone watch more goals more. They come to the World Cup and they all rated how much goals. Now they are on 80 goals in 2022. That is a huge number of goals. But from that time, they say one World Cup and they do a group stage is number film and they will need to fix that very well if only they want to get to the next level and try and do this. I can't say equal the farmer so but for Julian Nagelsmann, he need to set back, watch his team and try and find a system to get these wins to the next round. Now, Ivory Coast, therefore, they were in this